Thank you for purchasing the DIGIFIT Premium Mat. This is our how-to guide on the installation of the DIGIFIT Premium Mat. What is a DIGIFIT mat? DIGIFIT Premium Car Mat is a precision car floor liner that is custom-made to fit your car perfectly. Our premium car mats offer exceptional quality and full coverage for your car's interior. Contrary to traditional car mats that only protect and cover the base of your car's interior, our custom-made premium matting not only protects the base but also the sidewalls and so much more. Step number 1. Preparing the mat. If you received the DIGIFIT mat folded and packed, please expose it under the heat of the sun for about 30 minutes to eliminate any fold or creases during shipment. Step number 2. Remove the old car floor mat. It is advisable to remove the old floor matting before installing to ensure proper fitment and avoid the DIGIFIT mat from slipping. Step 3. Vacuum first. Whenever possible, clean the car before installing the DIGIFIT mat to keep your carpet in pristine condition. Step number 4. Driver side installation. Pull the chair all the way back to have the most space available when installing. Position the mat in the center and slide it towards the front for an easy install. Tap on the sides and edges to make sure it's properly seated. All our DIGIFIT mat comes with special clips that you can use whenever necessary. These are clips typically installed to hold the edges and ensure they don't move or get in the way. To install, simply attach them and slide it through the gaps in between the floor and the plastic side trimmings. Step 5. Passenger side installation. The same process applies to the passenger side. Feel free to revert back to step number 4. Step number 6. Second row installation. When done installing the driver and the passenger side, push both chairs all the way forward to have better access when installing the second row. Position the DIGIFIT mat in the center and install one side first. Carefully slide the DIGIFIT mat in place and ensure that it is correctly installed. Please note that for some models, the DIGIFIT mat will tuck inside the seats of the second row. Again, on some of the edges, you will want to install the included clips to keep it neat and tidy. Now switch to the other side and complete the install. Step number 7. Done and ready. Reposition both chairs for comfortable seating and driving. That's it. You're done and ready to go. Again, we thank you for purchasing the DIGIFIT Premium Mat, and if you have any concern or question, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Drive safe and enjoy the DIGIFIT experience.